Alright, this video should help you with, excuse me, we're now on step 5 of activity 3.2. And it says it is 3.67 miles to your grandparents' home. Remember that because we're going to actually use that in several of these steps. Here, camera's focused. All right. So step 5. I'm just going to write down 3.67 miles because I know I'm going to use that in a lot of these different sections. We're going to do question A first. Alright, so it says if you can walk 4 miles in 1 hour, how long will it take you to walk to your grandparents' home? Express your answer in decimal hours and then convert the time to minutes, and this to the nearest minute. So we're going to get 2 answers there. So we start out again with 3.67 miles. I'm going to first convert that from miles to hours. And it says I can go 4 miles per hour, which means 4 miles in 1 hour. I'm going to put the 4 miles at the bottom so I can cancel out miles. And then I divide 3.67 by 4. And get 0.92 hours. Try box my answer. And ask me to convert that to minutes. 0.92 hours. How many minutes are in an hour? Well, let's see, that's 1 hour is 60 minutes. So I'll say that 0.92 times 60 gives me 55 minutes. I'll round it to the nearest minute there. And that's step A. Alright, moving on to B. Your average stride length is 2.6 feet. How many strides will it take to go to your grandparents' home? Alright, so this one I'm going to need, as it says, 2 conversion factors. And one of the tricky things is a lot of people try to start with the answer from the previous step. That will not get you there. You have to start again with that 3.67 miles. Start 3.67 miles. I'm going to convert that first to feet. And if you look up on your conversion table chart, you'll see that 1 mile is 5,280 feet. And then it told me that my stride is 2.6 feet. So I'm going to put 2.6 feet per 1 stride. And now I can cross out feet, I can cross out miles, and so I'll have my answer in strides, which is what I want. So just multiply 3.67 times 5,280 and then divide by 2.6. And I'm going to round to the nearest stride, and I will get 7,453 strides, also known as steps. Make sure that we always box our answers here. Alright, C. It says if you ride your bike. Again, I'm going to start with that 3.67 miles. 3.67 miles. It says this time I can go 15 miles per hour. So 1 hour, 15 miles. And then did it ask me to convert to minutes? So it starts in hours and then minutes. So I'll say 3.67 divided by 15 equals 0.24 hours. And then I'm going to convert that, so that's one answer, and I convert that to minutes. I'll say 0.24 hours. It's the exact same conversion I did before. And 1 hour is 60 minutes. Cross out hours. Multiplied those and got 14.4 minutes. It's a lot faster to ride my bike to my grandparents' house than it is to walk, which makes sense. Alright, and finally, probably the trickiest one is D. It says if the circumference of the wheel is 82.6 inches, how many revolutions will it take to your grandparents' home? We're going to need to convert miles to inches and then inches to revolutions. So let's do that. There's going to be multiple factors here. So I start with 3.67 miles. I don't have a direct conversion from miles to inches, so I'm going to go to feet next. So 1 mile is 5,280 feet. Cross out miles. Now I'm in feet, which is good. Moving along. I can go 1 foot is 12 inches. Cross out feet. Now I'm in inches. And now I need to convert to revolutions. It said 82.6 inches per revolution. 1 revolution. Cross out inches. And now my unit should be in revolutions, which is what I want. So I will say 3.67 times 5,280 times 12 divided by 82.6 gave me an answer of 2,815, if I can write 15 correctly, revolutions, and that's my answer. And that is how you complete step 5.